Look, it's here, it's here. I finally twigged how much fun this Wanderlust box is that's put together and sent out every month by Mr. Nola's Glitter. It takes me a while to get where everybody else is. I am not a trend spotter. I am not quick to the start of something. My son will happily tell you and me and anybody else who will listen to him that in the beginning I didn't like The Simpsons. I thought it was silly. Boy, was I wrong. It's brilliant, but it just takes me a while. And I watched Rachel on Mr. Nola's Glitter. That would be Mrs. Nola. I watched her go through the very first box as a preview of what you would get if you signed up at the very beginning, which was this past October 2020. That was their first box. And they took you to Salem, Massachusetts for Halloween. I mean, that should have been all in for me right there, but no. But it looked really cool in a way. It just didn't seem like it was something I was particularly interested in trying. So now here we are, October, November, December. 4 months later, I finally realized that this was something I was really, really looking forward to. And thankfully, I jumped on at the right time. They had a few boxes left. They sign up new folks every month. Check out their channel and you check out their Facebook page. And I will link to everything below. But there are certain times during the month when they open this up to new folks to sign up for a monthly box. So here's mine. It's January. In fact, it's January 2nd. Got here fast. They ship usually on the last or by the last day of the prior month. And given all the shipping problems USPS had this past Christmas, I know a lot of people are still waiting for stuff they ordered from back in, around Thanksgiving. So it's a wonder this got to me this quickly, but I'm thrilled it did, so let's go through it. When you first sign up for the subscription box, the very first one you get comes with your very own Wanderlust journal. So this is my journal, and in it I hope to do lots of fun projects and journal about my experiences. I'm really looking forward to I've tried journaling before. In fact, I enter my day's thoughts, usually every night before bed, into a much more sedate journal. Nothing fancy. I just write some things down from the day. And I have tried bullet journaling before, and I suck at it because, as you know, if you watch my channel, I've said this on more than one occasion, I am not a fine artist. So I would see all these gorgeous journals out there when I was researching how to do bullet journaling or, ideas for bullet journaling. People would have incredible pictures drawn, hand-drawn on their pages for each month. And it was just stunning what some folks do. And I thought, I want to do that until I got the supplies and, and can't draw for squat. This is going to be less about fine artistry and more about sticking stuff in it that's representative of the journey we go on with these monthly subscription boxes. So there's my journal. Let's see what January has in store. First of all, in case you haven't already watched some of the other videos that come out, these boxes are fabulous. I plan on keeping mine and stacking them up somewhere, whether I use them to keep these materials in or I use them for some other type of storage. Who knows, but I'm going to hang on to these. They're really gorgeous. Okay, here we go. Ooh, all right. First thing you get is a postcard. And it says, Wanderlust, XOXO, wish you were here. That looks like the Northern Lights to me. I've never seen them in person. I used to live up in Michigan, and I can't tell you how many mornings I would wake up and I'd hear somebody say, oh, did you see those Northern Lights last night? Oh my God. And I'm like, why didn't somebody wake me up? I want to see them. So I've never seen them in person. I've seen them on TV, for example, and in beautiful pictures like this one. On the back of the postcard you get every month, there is a passport stamp. So that's something that can go in the journal. I'll just pull that off and put it aside. It's a sticker. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Just put that aside. And it says here, I'm not gonna, well, yeah, I am. I'm gonna show you what's in here. So if you don't want to see what's in it because you're waiting for yours, then, you know, this isn't the video for you. I should have said that up front, and maybe I will. I'll put up a disclaimer card in the beginning. But what it says is, hello, travelers. The holidays may be over, but baby, it's still cold outside. This month we travel to Husavik. Husavik. H-U with an accent, S-A-V-I-K, Iceland, to view one of the most brilliant and colorful natural phenomena, the Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. This small town on the northern coast of Iceland is known for its proximity to the Skalfandi Bay, where there are many sailing tours to view the dazzling northern lights that inspired the souvenirs for this month's box. So feel the glow and look to the skies for inspiration this month, travelers. XOXO, wish you were here. Okay, now I say she because I believe Rachel designs these. This was her baby getting this whole thing launched. She lists everything in the box with a description and its value so that you know once you've gone through the box that you are getting your money's worth. Okay, these look like Zodiac stickers to me. What's your sign? Clearcast. A sheet of crafty, thriving, eco-solvent material with a 2-inch decal for each sign in the Zodiac, decorated with a vibrant swirl of blue and gray shades inspired by the vast galaxy. This Clearcast makes a great addition to any astrological project. So that's beautiful. I could turn them right side up. I am a Virgo. We will move on. Just get most of it out of the way. They also have a checklist. I thought this was really nice. A checklist of everything that's in here, and it's double checked and signed off. So that's cool. They're paying attention. I know they've been so crazy busy with Christmas, like everybody. Okay. Oh, I lost some stars already. They came off on the they came off on here. I've lost some of my stickers. Oh well. Hopefully I have enough to do whatever I might want to do. Looks like 2 sheets of white stars. Oh, here we go. Starry-eyed vinyl sheets. Okay, these are not just stickers, they are vinyl stickers. 2 sheets of 45, well, not anymore, glow-in-the-dark star vinyl stickers to put the final touches on your out-of-this-world creations. Almost 90 stars. I can do some with that. Okay, what's next? Ooh, I see molds. I see astrological sign molds with little nubbins so they can be dog tag type things, keychain, earrings. They could be earrings for that matter. Make 2 of the same one and put earrings. So, okay, let's see what she says about these. Zodiac, pendants. Duh, that's what I was grasping for. Pendants. Be beautiful. Zodiac pendant mold. A silicone mold with a pendant for each astrological sign in the Zodiac. These adorable round charms, there you go, that's another thing I could do with it. Measure 1 inch and feature the constellation and name of each sign. Fill in the details with your celestial glow paint. Ooh, something else in here. And you'll have the customized pendant of your dreams. Let's see if I can get you a better shot of... I'm not sure it's going to show you. That is very cool. Very cool. Here's the glow paint. Here we go. Celestial Glow Acrylic Paint. Light up your projects with this 2 fluid ounce bottle of Deco Art Americana Glow in the Dark Acrylic Paint. This is perfect for filling in the details of your Zodiac pendants. Okay. Or I could wait till I unmold them at the end and use the paint over it and then wipe off the excess like we've done with other molds. Okay, next we have... Let's do the glitters. These look very Eastery, don't they? They look very springy and pastel and Eastery. This is Shooting Star. How beautiful these glitters are. Okay. Close your eyes and make a wish on this glowing iridescent chunky. Oh, it's a chunky fine, so it's a blend. Lightning green. You get the 2 ounces of glitter packaged in our signature Wanderlust jar. Oh, I see. Very cool. This beautiful jar. Okay, and the next one is Meteor Shower. This is described as iridescent glow glitter with bright silver flashes, named after the stunning cosmic event. Pale baby blue chunky and fine glow mix will have you in awe. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. Next up is Nova, lightest lavender chunky fine glitter mix. The mix of iridescent and silver flashes will have you seeing stars. Let's see if we can get some of this out for you to see. Really gorgeous. Okay, and the last glitter is Comet, not the reindeer. Just as a comet falls from the sky, you're sure to fall for this pastel pink, chunky, fine, glowing mix of iridescent and silver flakes. Ooh, washi tape! Astrological washi tape. A package of 4 galactic rolls of washi tape for use on all your astrological projects. Printed with stars and constellations, this adorable paper-based adhesive tape is a must-have for every crafter. Well, there we go. These are pretty. Different backgrounds. Basically the same look on all 4. That is beautiful. This is Aurora Purple Glow and Borealis Blue Glow. Aurora Glow Mica. 5-gram jar of mica powder that shines with a galactic purple glow. Okay, that's the one on the left. That's this one here. And then this one is the Borealis Glow Mica. Bright sky blue glow reminiscent of our cosmic inspiration. All right, I am going to go get my black light and we're going to see what some of this stuff looks like. Hang on. All right. Let's see here. So this will glow purple like that. And this will glow blue, like that. Very pretty. I'm curious if these glow. Looks like they do. Oh yeah, yep, there's glow. Definitely glowing. Can you see that? Okay, that was the Nova. This is Meteor Shower. Yep, so that's got glow blue in it. Okay, Shooting Star, this is the green one. Oh yeah, there's some green glow going on there. Oh, this is so cool. And then Comet, and there is pink glow. And when we make our project, whatever that ends up being, because I have to think about that, I will definitely show you all of this in the dark, with the black light, and then, you know, total darkness so we can see it glow for real. I have my journal and our passport stamp, glow paint, washi tape, glowing glitter. We have our Zodiac clear cast, our glowing stars. Yep, these glow. Can you see? See how they stay charged after I run the light over them? Isn't that cool? Okay. Our Zodiac mold and our 2 glowing mica powders. That is very cool. 44, 49. So there's about, according to the value, about $90 worth of stuff here, and I know I didn't pay $90 for this. Again, I will put the price on the screen and also down in the description, but this is amazing. This is fantastic. I'm going to call it here for this video. This is the unboxing, and then I will bring you back in another video and I'll mark it January Wanderlust Part 2 or something, or project or something like that, so you'll know when we use these wonderful things and make something that glows. I love glowing things. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.